Hi guys, this is AT Cuber. Today I'll be unboxing a fidget spinner and a fidget cube. So let's get into this. Okay, let me take my blade. I just bought it in Amazon for 167 rupees and this is the fidget spinner. Yeah, it looks great. It looks great. Okay, let's get into the fidget cube. This I bought it for 299 rupees. So if you want to buy these ones, so it will be in the link guys. Okay. Yeah, here's the fidget spinner. Oh, how will I get it? Let me cut this. Yeah. Okay, here's the box. Here's the fidget cube box and here's the fidget spinner box. Okay, well, first let me get into the fidget spinner. It's well packed. So it's a little bit heavy and spins a good yeah guys. And okay, nothing to say about this. This is awesome. Okay, let me get into the fidget cube. It looks like a 2x2 cube box. Oh, I got a gray color and a black and red button. Here's a ball which rotates. Here's a joystick. Here's the button. Here's also it's like a joystick. Here's a switch. And here's nothing here, so it's just to rotate. Okay, this is awesome. The way I can play like a joystick. I have buttons, just awesome. But the box is really cool. It's like a 2x2 box. Fits awesome. Okay, let us see the spin test of this fidget spinner. Okay, let's start the spin test. 3, 2, 1, go. It's gonna stop. It's 30 seconds now. It's 45 now. It's gonna stop. Oh yeah, it's 51 seconds. But also this awesome fidget spinner. I think so we can do tricks. Yeah, that's all guys for this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. Next video will be coming very soonly. Thanks guys for watching.